Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest updates. Today, we're going to dive into a crucial topic: how to evaluate and select the right payroll system for your business. Let's get started. Tired of payroll problems? Let's fix that today. Choosing the right payroll software can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, but fear not, we're here to simplify it for you. Before we jump into finding a new payroll system, it's essential to assess your current one. Think of this as diagnosing a problem before looking for a solution. Start by asking yourself some critical questions. What's not working with your current system? Are you facing compliance issues? Is the system difficult to use or lacking in features? Maybe it's slow or prone to errors. Identifying these pain points will help you understand what you need in a new system. For example, if your current system struggles with compliance issues, you might be facing challenges with generating accurate reports or meeting local tax regulations. Or if your team finds the system hard to use, this could lead to errors and inefficiencies. Think about your company's size and growth. Are you a small startup or a growing enterprise? Different software suits different needs. With a clear understanding of your current system's shortcomings, it's time to explore new payroll solutions. Here's where you need to consider if a new system could resolve these issues or if outsourcing might be a better option. When considering new systems, look for cloud-based solutions that offer automation. Cloud systems can simplify payroll processing, ensure compliance with local tax regulations, and often come with integration options for other tools like HR and time tracking systems. Check the costs, compare pricing structures, and see what fits in your budget. Remember, the cheapest option isn't always the best. Support. How easy for you to onboard current payroll practice into new system. Customization. You have unique payroll requirements. Can new solution accommodate them? Also, if language is a barrier for your team, make sure to choose a provider that offers support in your preferred language. For example, if your team not fluent in English, check if the provider offers support in local languages such as Mandarin, Cantonese, Malay, Tamil, or Thai. Now, let's define your scope. When planning for a new payroll system, focus on three main factors: time, cost, and scope. Time. Set a realistic timeline for the implementation of the new software. This includes setup, customization, and data migration. Work closely with your provider during this phase, as they usually offer support to ensure a smooth transition. Cost. Determine your budget. This should include not just the software costs, but also any additional expenses for training and potential hidden costs. Scope. Clearly define what you need from the system. This could involve specific features, compliance requirements, or integration capabilities. Typically, payroll system can come with many add-on modules such as leave management, time and attendance, rostering, and many more. This provides seamless data integration in capturing data required for payroll processing. Hence, it should be one of your consideration. With your scope defined, it's time to test out your options. Most payroll solutions offer free demos or trials. Use these to evaluate the software's features, scalability, and its ability to meet your compliance needs. For instance, if you're in Malaysia, ensure the system handles EPF and SOCSO requirement. Request a proposal from each provider if you're not entirely sure what you need. This will give you a clearer picture of what each solution offers. To choose the right system, you need to understand your current payroll process thoroughly. Break it down into these areas. Pre-payroll. This includes data entry, handling employee turnover, and managing overtime. Process payroll. This involves the actual payroll processing, adjustments, and proration. Post-payroll. Focuses on reporting and generating necessary documents. Administrative tasks. Consider tasks like bulk uploads, data security, and system integration. Understanding these aspects will help you identify which features are essential in your new system. Let's dive into a useful tool from Lean Six Sigma, SIPOC, which stands for Suppliers, Inputs, Process, Outputs, and Customers. This tool will help you map out your payroll process. Suppliers. Who provides the data? Employee, recruitment, business manager? Inputs. What data is required? Employee submit timesheet. Recruitment team hired someone? Process, what steps do you currently follow? This is where processing all data into desired output. Outputs, what do you need the system to produce? Payroll report, statutory report, or submission? Customers, who receives the information? Incorporating SOCSO will help you visualize and improve your process. Also focus on data migration. Clean up your existing data, export it, and ensure it's formatted correctly for the new system. Before making a decision, prepare a detailed checklist. This should include payroll requirements, define what you need from the system. List of solution providers, research and list potential providers. Management approval, ensure you have approval from relevant stakeholders. Budget, confirm your budget and any additional costs. Scope, revisit the scope to ensure all needs are covered. Having a well-prepared checklist will help keep you organized and ensure you don't miss any critical steps. Now that you have a list of potential providers, it's time to ask some challenging questions. Here are a few examples. How does your system ensure compliance with local tax laws? Can you provide references or case studies from similar businesses? What kind of support do you offer during and after implementation? How does your system handle data security and privacy? These questions will help you evaluate how well each provider meets your needs. Make sure the software has robust security measures and compliance with regulations. Also, international standards such as SOC certification or ISO standard, how your data store in cloud server and what protection should look like, what is the downtime. What next? This is a quick guide in the selection cycle. Demonstration. Let provider showcase their product and features. User friendliness is key. Your team shouldn't need a degree in rocket science to use it. Look for intuitive interfaces and helpful customer support. Customization can help tailor the system to your specific needs. Evaluate the extent to which the system can be customized in terms of reporting, workflows, and user roles. Assess the scalability of the solution and how it handles increased data volume or additional features. Proof of concept. Able to proof systems serve your requirements, calculation, and comply with local statutory requirements. You may also consider to stress test or surprise question to providers. Engagement. This is the last step in selection process, and you are ready to engage with one of them. Understand implementation process, scope and support with solution provider. Review contract terms and conditions, liability, SLA, scope of services, termination clause. Be prepared for a significant improvement in your HR operations as you integrate the new system. Finally, consider additional factors such as handling payroll across multiple countries, integration with existing systems, and required infrastructure. Also, don't forget to train your HR and payroll teams on the new system. Run parallel payroll cycles to test everything before going live. After the system is live, monitor the first few payroll cycles closely and gather feedback from your team and employees. Make any necessary adjustments to optimize the system. And that's it for today's video. We hope these 10 steps help you find and implement the perfect payroll system for your business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on HR and payroll processes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.